Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain? Sure.
So who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about TV show. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right. Are you sure? No idea. What?
Camera recording. Camera recording.
Get away from the door.
Who is that?
Can I help you people? Huh? Get away from there. I'm pulling the cops right now.
I've got parcel for you, mate. Dude, I'll put it on your door and take it because coronavirus. Yeah.
Hey! No!
Hello? Hello? Okay, no worries. I'm sorry. Is there any kids running around knocking on doors?
No.
No? Okay, because someone keeps knocking on the door.
No.
3 creepy home intruders caught on camera. In October 2016, a Texas man's personal CCTV captured a person dressed as a clown carrying a knife. The clown tries out the locks, looks through some windows, and then tries to open a gate before leaving. A man in Layton, Utah broke into a family's home in May 2018. He was caught on a nanny cam. The intruder walked past the sleeping baby and made his way to the side of the mother's bed. The family didn't know. In 2016, an Oregon family slept through a stranger wearing face paint rummaging through their home. The footage shows the female intruder making food, trying on clothes. She was later arrested.